Good evening, everybody. So, I'm back on my day 11 of 75 days hard challenge with a topic which is very different. We are going to discuss today what is spirituality and what does it mean for me, like what is the value and what I understand, what I perceive about spirituality. So, very honestly, I'm sharing this view that I have not prepared anything about spirituality. What happens sometimes if I have time, I go and I go on Google, I search about the topic, and I look for some interesting facts. But today I could not prepare for that. So there is a one additional benefit of not preparing as well, that if I haven't prepared anything from other sources, I will be speaking English on my own, and I will be sharing my own opinions. So yes, this is the same scenario today. And see, without wasting any further delay time, let's talk about what is spirituality for me. So, by this term, I consider that the connection, and obviously a invisible connection you can't see, but you can just feel. So, it is intangible connection, invisible connection with this universe, or by this universe, I mean the all sort of energy spread around everybody. And the universe is the same, the atmosphere for the people living in the same city is same, but spirituality and then vibes of this universe are you know different for everybody. So what I want to say, that spirituality is something that makes you connect with this universe, and obviously with God as well. Sometimes there are lot of stuff that we even forget that there is also a power energy going on with us, and we just think that yes, this is me who is doing this all thing. But in that moment, what we are forgetting is, we forget that there is you know if you want to call it, you can call it a supernatural, or if you want to call it energy of this whole Brahmand universe. That's spirituality. And what is importance of it for me as personal is, whenever I have to decide something, I can talk to myself, I can wait for the signs of this universe, that what kind of feelings are being evoked in my soul, in my heart. And on the basis of that feeling, that observation kind of, I take decisions. And yeah, I also seek his guidance. His Here obviously I'm addressing the God. I seek his validation. I validation sense, if I'm doing something, so I usually want that he validates it, that in the sense that yes, I'm doing the right thing, and it is going to give, or create some progress in my life. And yeah, so that's what is it important. It actually helps me in taking lot of decisions that nobody can help me in taking them, but this aura, this energy helps me. Yeah. And yeah, but in my opinion, this is a topic, or this is a aspect which can vary, or whose importance, whose meaning can vary to very different people. Like everybody has their own views, definition, values of this spiritual environment. and some people may not even believe in this, and some might also believe it, you know, very strongly like me. So yeah, this was all about that I wanted to share about spirituality. Yeah, so this brings me to the end of session, and now I'm going to just take a few seconds to decide that what I'm gonna talk about in my next or tomorrow's video. So please give me a few seconds. uh, mm, let's talk about medicinal plant Ayush, and yeah, natural herbs that actually can help us in treating multiple or several disease. Yeah, so let's talk about Ayush. Ayush is a mantralaya, right? Is a ministry. So we'll be discussing Ayush, and yeah, I'll be talking about its, you know, other aspects as well. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for listening me till here. Bye bye.